Tease you with the other stuff.
Yeah.
Stay away.
What's your outlook on this season after what you encountered last year
Well, yeah, I mean, I'm just excited to be back and to have a fresh start. It was a bit of an uneasy summer. I don't know if that was going to take place. With that being said, you kind of control what you can control. Just get yourself prepared for wherever you're going to be and make sure that you're ready. I got a strong summer and myself, mind, and body to play with confidence, play up to my capabilities, and I was excited to know that I'm coming back here and going to get the opportunity to get here.
It seems like the first time we've gone through that real uncertainty. How did you handle it?
Well, it wasn't a whole lot of fun, I can tell you that. I've been very fortunate and blessed to have been here for 9 years and have that stability, and to not know where I was going to be was a bit uneasy, just because for me, I think about my family and what it's going to be like to go on, but I didn't let my mind get too far out there wondering, because until I was told that I was going to be able to, I never was told that. And, I'm just excited to move forward. These last couple of years have been a disappointment, I know, in my eyes, and I feel a lot of responsibility for that. But the main thing is you learn from it and you move forward. And I feel great moving forward. I'm excited about the opportunity to come back here and to play with Anton, and I know that we'll have a strong duo moving forward.
For a guy who has as much pride as you do, who has the track record you do, to hear that your contract was one of the biggest reasons you're still here, how did that make you feel?
Well, I mean, it doesn't make it feel great. Obviously, when I signed that deal, there's a lot of expectations. I haven't lived up to those expectations in the last couple of years for numerous reasons. I think that you can have your excuses, but I think excuses are for losers. And I'm not one to give out any. And like I said, I hold responsibility for that, but I also feel that I can be an elite goaltender in this league still, and I feel that I'm getting off to a good start, and knock on wood, be healthy, I can get my game back to where it is.
Did you, more than perhaps some others, appreciate the clean slate that from the coaching and management to come back and start fresh, because it seemed like something that's a little bit sour previous regime?
Well, I mean, I was just excited about the clean slate of myself coming here. I mean, other stuff with the coaches and stuff is kind of that's a management decision. When I think about that question I got asked at the end of the year last year, it was a question related to the team, and I felt like I was in the position to speak on behalf of the team, and so that's why I kind of avoided the no comment. By no means did I mean to throw anybody under the bus, and I think Kirk knows that, and I wish him the best in St. Louis. What happened has happened, but I'm excited about the guys that we have in this locker room. I think that we have a very strong foundation of players, and we have veterans, and a good group of young players coming up. So I'm excited to meet Mr. Peters and see what kind of foundation that he has in plan for us. But we all know at the end of the day, it's up to the players that put on the skates to make sure they do their job and execute.
Philosophically, you look like you made a little bit of a change in terms of your off-season conditioning. What was behind that, and what's your thinking?
Well, my thinking is, I mean, you always go into the summer trying to improve in all areas, and I think for me, I just became addicted to watching what I ate, my nutrition, and trying to find new ways of being stronger physically. I think always, I say every summer, I'm in great shape. So this year, I feel like I put on some muscle, and I think that will help me in the strength of it. I feel like I've got myself in shape, but I'm also clear-minded too. And I'm excited about the season. And we all know that the mental side of the game is a very important side for freshmen.
A lot of talk about the nucleus of this team and whether it was time to say after 5 years, turn the page. Ronnie chose not to do that. It would seem like it's all or nothing this year.
Yeah, well, I think that's fair, and I respect Ronnie for giving me this opportunity again. And, I think he has confidence in me and knows what I'm capable of doing, and I want to make sure that I show him that I am capable. That starts on the 18th.
Without making excuses, like you said, you don't want to do that. You said there are good reasons why you